Good morning, students. Last class we studied organic compounds and their classification. Today we learn about the topic hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, the organic compounds that are composed of only carbon and hydrogen atom are called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means that atom hydrogen and carbon composed. Composed means it is combined together to form hydrocarbon. Carbon plus hydrogen gives hydrocarbon. Okay. So define hydrocarbon, the organic compounds that are composed of only carbon and hydrogen atom. Only two atoms are present, that is carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen combine together to form hydrocarbon. The organic compounds that are composed of only carbon and hydrogen atom are called hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are further subdivided into three classes. The first one is alkane, second type alkene, third type alkynes. So alkanes means it is a single bond compound. Alkanes which contain only single bond. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. N value natural numbers starting from 1. Okay, listen. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. N value starting from 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now N equal to 1. Find the value. First you substitute N value. C1 H 2 into 1 plus 2. C1 H 2 into 1 2 plus 2 equal to C1 H4, that means CH4. So the first compound is CH4, first compound of alkane. Okay, this is a general formula for alkane. Alkane, the first compound is methane. So the CH4 is the simplest alkane. CH4 is a simplest alkane. Then second one, N equal to 2. Then substitute the value. C2H 2 into 2 plus 2. C2H 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. Second one is a C2H6. Then N equal to 3. CnH2n plus 2. C3H 2 into 3 plus 2. C3H 6 plus 2 8. Then N equal to 4. C4 H2n H 2 into 4 plus 2. C4 H 8 plus 2 10. C4 H10. The next N equal to 5. C5 H 2 into 5 plus 2. C5 H10 plus 2. C5 H12. Okay, listen. The simplest alkane is simplest alkane? Methane. So the first n equal to 1 means that answer is CH4. N equal to 2, C2H6. N equal to 3, C3H8. N equal to 4, C4H10. N equal to 5, C5H12. These all the compounds are called alkane. The suffix is ane, alkane. Ane means single bond. Okay, so the first compound name is methane. The second one, carbon 2, ethane. Carbon 3, propane. Carbon 4, butane. Carbon 5, pentane. Okay, listen. These all the compounds are called alkane. Alkane, simplest hydrocarbon of alkane is CH4. The first one is a simplest hydrocarbon of alkane, methane. Methane is a simplest alkane. See there, suffix ane. Ane means single bond compound. The first compound ending letters ane. Second one ending letters ane. Suffix ane. Ane represent single bond compound. Okay, simplest alkane is methane. CH4. What is the name of the CH4? Very good. Methane. Ane represent single bond compound. Now we will write the structure. How we will write the structure now? Carbon. How many carbon is there? Only one carbon. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon surrounded by how many bond? 4 bond. Carbon valency 4. So 4 bond is there. Okay. Carbon linked hydrogen by single bond. Okay. Connected by single bond. All the single bond. This single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. So this compound is called methane. Then second one, C2H6. Now write the structure. How many carbon is there? 2. C. How many hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen. Carbon valency 4. So 4 bond. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This second carbon is called ethane. 2 carbon means that compound name ethane. So last ending word ane. Ending letters ane. Okay, so that means single bond. So this carbon linked by single bond. Then third one is a C3H8. How we will write? 1, 2, 3 carbon. Then how many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the hydrogen and carbon in between bonds are single bond. What is the name of this compound? Propane. Next, C4H8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C4H10. Okay, so carbon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this compound is called butane. Okay, single bond compound. So the next one is pentane. C5H12. How many carbon? 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This compound is called pentane. So, alkane is a single bond hydrocarbon. Alkane is a single bond hydrocarbon. General formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. N represent 1. N1 means the compound is methane. N2 ethane. N3 propane. N4 butane. N5 pentane. See here alkane compound. The first, this is a alkane compound. Okay, the first one methane, second one ethane, N equal to 2 ethane, N equal to 3 propane, N equal to 4 butane, N equal to 5 pentane. So these compounds are called alkane. Alkane means single bond compound. Next class we can learn about alkene.